Welcome back to Mine and Mike's Woodshop. This is a weekly shop update for April 29th. I know I've been a little bit missing here on YouTube. I've been busy on a bunch of other projects. I started coaching my son's lacrosse game, so that's about 5 days a week. We've been busy doing that. And a whole bunch of other things. I don't even remember everything else. Also, my daughter's been having dance competitions, so now it's coming out to the end of that season, so my weekends come back to being in the shop, which is a good thing. I've been at night, I've been making a bunch of Mother's Day projects, gifts. I've sold a couple, but these are just mainly just things to do, get having fun on the scroll saw. I did have a video out yesterday on the lifter arm. I'm working on doing the video on the chuck heads for next week. So I did this for my cousin. She got married in, I think, January. So it was my first one I ever tried, and I started it, and then I said, all right, I know how to do it. Let me and then I put it on the side and forgot to finish it. So these are a couple more Mother's Day items that I am just about finishing up. I just have to cut the backers. That will finish that. I have my daughter's dance competition team. That's what they're called, the Dazzlers. So I have a couple of these I have to make. My son's making his confirmation. I did a communion one for my niece. I have it posted up on Instagram. I didn't do a video on it. I am currently doing a video on this. It's autism awareness plaque, or I don't know how you would say what that is, but I wanted to do it in the beginning of the month so that I'd have it done towards the middle, and then I could give them away. One is going to my wife's school. The other three I'm going to give away online, whether it be one for Instagram, one for YouTube, one for Facebook or Twitter. I'm just going to give them away. Whether people want to win them and then give them to someone, that's fine. So that's my project that's currently going on. The next thing I'm about to do is this clock. I will be scrolling it live. I don't know yet if I'll be doing it via Facebook or Instagram. I don't know live streaming that well. The dog just bumped into the camera. Now look, go lay down. So now you made me lose my train of thought. Thanks. Yeah, it's all your fault. So that will be done live somewhere. So keep an eye out for it. Why is it so big? I don't know. I tend to do things larger than they need to be done. Uh-oh. Okay, Google. Cancel timer. So that is my time to head out and pick up my son from his... I guess I said it two places. I gotta go get my son from his confirmation retreat, so that is about it I have for today. So, also, Mancrafting, check him out. He makes awesome mugs, and he does some cool stuff on YouTube, other than mugs. He's a good guy. I'll leave his link down in the description below, and that is about it. So, please leave a comment down below. I will respond to you. If you like what's going on, hit that thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe along with the bell. You'll get notifications on when I upload a new video. Other than that, be safe. Come on, no, dog, let's go. Inside. No, inside, let's go. Gotta go get Michael. Come on. Don't knock the camera over.